Hey, what's up everyone? This is your friend Sanjay, and in this video we are going to understand what are the effects of weight of pulley on mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency of the pulley. Alright, now to discuss this, let me take you to the block and tackle arrangement, which appears somewhat like this. We have the upper block, and then we have the lower block, and then we have a load, upper block, lower block, and here you are applying your effort E. Okay, so with your effort you are not just pulling the load, you are also pulling the lower block. Okay, so overall I can say these two parts are movable. This two part moves and this one is fixed. This two part moves and this one is fixed. So when you are applying effort, with that application of effort, you are not just pulling L, you are also pulling the lower block. So let W be the weight of the pulley in lower block. So instead of L, you are actually lifting W. So your total weight that you are lifting with that application of effort is L plus W, and that is equals to the total tension multiplied with N. Alright, earlier we assume that with this effort we are only lifting this load, so we equated L with NT. This was the earlier case, but now since we are considering this also, so we will equate L plus W together with NT, where N is your total number of pulley. I mean total number of pulley multiplied with tension, that would be the tension in the string. This is what we have assumed last time. Okay, so obviously from this relation I can write my load becomes NT minus W. So moving back to the definition of mechanical advantage, what is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is load upon effort. So load upon effort, your effort was T and load is NT minus W. Okay, so that should give us NT upon T minus W upon T, and finally your mechanical advantage is N minus W upon T. Okay, so your mechanical advantage is not actually N, your mechanical advantage is less than N. Moving back to velocity ratio, the velocity ratio will remain unchanged. Well, in the previous case we saw the velocity ratio was N, and here also it would be N. There won't be any change. Let us see what the efficiency we are going to get. So efficiency is mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio, so that is N minus W upon T, the whole divided by N, and that is 1 minus W upon NT. So with this relation, it is clearly seen that the efficiency won't be 100%. It would be little less than 100%, and this is the factor which makes the difference. So more is the value of W, more would be the decrement in the overall efficiency. More is the value of W, more is the overall decrement in the value of efficiency. That is why it is said that the lower block should contain less number of pulley so that the weight doesn't becomes too high. That is why the number of pulley in the upper block should be always greater than number of pulley in the lower block. This is the reason why. Remember this. Final efficiency.